IT training, University of Otago, discussing creating custom groups in Endnote X8. For organising references, one of the best plans is to create groups, reading lists, of particular references for particular tasks. So if I go to the Groups menu and choose Create Group, I get a new group on the side. I give it a specific name. Once that group is created, from all references, I can choose specific references I wish to add to the group, and I can drag those references into the group. As these are just reading lists, one reference can be in multiple groups. If I create a second group, I can put the same references in multiple groups. Or some same and some different references. If I remove a reference from a group by selecting it and pressing the delete key on the keyboard, the reference is not deleted from my library. It is just removed from the reading list.